Hello my dear students, welcome to our Adarsh Coaching YouTube channel. Dear students, exam already finished, no tension about exam, but slowly we are going to study our chapters one after another. It is my first video for you. For class 10, because class 10 is very important, every moment is important for you. गोटे दिन बीती जाऊँगी तो एग्जाम गोटे दिन पाखे आसूँ. सो लेट्स गो स्टडी योर मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 6 चैप्टर 1 रियल नंबर्स. व्हाट इज रियल नंबर्स? रियल नंबर, बिफोर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू एनालिसिस नंबर सिस्टम. नंबर सिस्टम टिके डिस्कशन करदे. रियल नंबर actually number system it is starting from your early class 1 रो even class 2 class 3 class 10 तक number system with you. Number system very important things in mathematics algebra. number system रे first is your natural numbers. In natural numbers means all counting numbers starting from 1 2 3 4 up to your infinity. All natural numbers are denoted by the letter n set. It is the capital letter n set belongs to all counting numbers. Natural number का बाद your second number system ro second thing is your integers. After natural number there is a whole number. Natural number starting from 1 but whole number starting from 0. Only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Whole numbers another number system another things. Natural number starting from 1, whole number starting from 0 1 2 3 up to infinity. Whole numbers. But integers, what is integer? All positive all negative with 0 are called integers. All it is a number line, middle one is your 0, left side is your negative numbers, right side is your positive numbers. All positive numbers, negative numbers with 0 are called integers. Integer, it is denoted by letter the set. Integer, all positive negative with 0 belongs to set Z. Z is belongs to integers. You can write I plus, I minus. I plus means positive integers, I negative, I minus, all negative integers. Integers का बाद नंबर सिस्टम में थर्ड आ जाता है your rational numbers. Rational number is all natural numbers, all integers, except this, including natural numbers, integers, all fractional numbers, fractions, just like your 1 by 3, 7 by 11, 11 by 13, 5 by 18, in this way. These are belongs to rational numbers. But 1 by 3, 7 by 11 are not integers or natural numbers. तो डेफिनेशन, नेचुरल नंबर का डेफिनेशन हो गया. ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स, सिमिलरली इंटेजर भी खत्म, ऑल पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव with 0, Similarly, what is rational number? It is very important for you. Rational numbers का definition 10th क्लास के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सिर्फ 10th क्लास नहीं, हर कोई क्लास में भी ये क्लास 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rational number is very important. The number, what is rational number? The number which is in P by Q form. What is P by Q form? P by Q form just like this, 1 by 3, 7 by 11, 11 by 13, or rational numbers are P by Q form. P by Q form. The number which is in P by Q form. Numerator by denominator. Where Q not equal to 0. Q 0 होगा ही नहीं होगा. Q not equal to 0. What are P and Q? P and Q को? P and Q are co-prime integers. Co-prime integers are called rational numbers. Co-prime means no other common factor than 1. P and Q only a common factor 1. 1 को छोड़कर अदर कोई कॉमन फैक्टर P and Q का नहीं होगा. नो अदर कॉमन फैक्टर, नो कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1. नो कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1 आर कॉल्ड co-prime. Co-prime का एग्जांपल जस्ट 3, 5, 7, 18, 13, 24 are co-prime. SCF of the co-prime number, SCF 1 in LCM product of these two numbers. SCF only 1. Integers खत्म, rational number खत्म. Now तुम्हारा चैप्टर आ गया रियल नंबर. हाँ, all rational numbers are denoted by letter Q, capital Q set. Rational numbers, all integers, all counting numbers with all fractional numbers are belong to your rational. Then a real number. What is real numbers? रियल नंबर में तुम्हारा रेशनल आएगा और इरेशनल. हाँ, मैं तो भूल गया. रेशनल तो खत्म हो गया, उसका बाद आता है इरेशनल नंबर. रेशनल लो ऑपोजिट इरेशनल. इरेशनल नंबर मीन्स द नंबर just opposite rational numbers, not in P by Q form, not in P by Q. और P by Q फॉर्म में जितना भी नंबर नहीं है P by Q फॉर्म में आता नहीं. These are irrational numbers, just like your √2, √3, √7, √5 and pi. But if pi equal to 22 by 7, then it is in P by Q form and it is your rational number. But pi 22 by 7 it is rational, but only pi is an irrational. इरेशनल खत्म हो गया, अब आ गया रियल नंबर. ऑल रेशनल एंड इरेशनल टेक टुगेदर टू मेक रियल नंबर. दैट मीन्स नंबर सिस्टम का जो भी नंबर आ जाता है वो बिलोंग्स टू your real numbers. Denoted by letter R. R letter. R is a set of real numbers. रियल नंबर्स का सेट, ऑल रियल नंबर्स बिलोंग्स टू सेट आर। तो ये नंबर सिस्टम का जो इंट्रोडक्शन था खत्म हो गया। अब चैप्टर प्रोसीड करना। नाउ इट इज फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक। इट इज फर्स्ट थिंग्स अबाउट योर चैप्टर रियल नंबर्स। रियल नंबर्स का ये फर्स्ट जिनस फंडामेंटल थ्योरम। व्हाट इज फंडामेंटल थ्योरम? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic is that each and every number is product of, or every number has factors. That means two types of number you can say, prime number and composite number. What is prime and what is composite? Prime number, it has only two factors, one and itself. What is composite? Prime numbers means the number which has only two factors, one and itself, just like your 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. In this way, infinity, there are infinity prime numbers. One and itself factors means you can write 2 equal to 2 as 1 into 2, 3 as 1 into 3. That means 1 and 2 are two factors of a prime number 2. Similarly, 1 and 3 are two factors of prime number 3. Similarly, you can write 7, 1 into 7, 11, 1 into 11. But composite, more than two factors. More than two factors is your composite number. Example, just your 4. Factors are 4 equal to 2 into 2, 1 into 4. That means 1, 2, 4 itself are 3 factors of a number 4. 4 are the 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. That means 4 is a composite number because more than 2 here. Then what is fundamental theorem? Each and every composite number is product of prime numbers, or every composite number has prime factors. Composite number prime factors. How? More than two factors, just like your 4. Fundamental theorem says that each composite number is a product of prime numbers, just like your 55 is 11 into 5. That means 11 and 5, 55 itself, 1 and 15 को छोड़कर another two factors 11 and 5 आ जाता है. Similarly 27, 3 into 3 into 3. That means prime factors is are 1 and 3. Two prime factors has the number 27. Factors 27 equal to 1 into 27, 3 into 9. 3 into 9. Prime factors 1 and 3. Prime factors. Prime factor 1 and 3. 1 and 3. But it is not a prime number. You can say it has only two prime factors. That's why 27 is a prime number. No. 27 has two prime factors, 1 and 3. But it has 1, 3, 9 itself 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 factors. That means more than 2 factors. It is not a prime number at all. Then fundamental theorem is finished. Now here is a question for you. Express each number as product of prime factors. ये जो नंबर है 140, 32,760, 7,429 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर में एक्सप्रेस करना है. फर्स्ट 140. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द prime factors? Take 140 divided with 2, 27, put 0, 7, again 2, 235, again 7, 5, 35. That means 105 equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 5. It is equal to 2 into 2, 2 square into 7 into 5. It is the product of prime factors. Product of prime factors. Another, it is your example. 3, 2, 7, 6, 0. Express it. Product of prime factors. 32,760. Take 32,760 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. Here it is 1 to 12. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. Here it is 1 6. 16, 2 8, put 0, again 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, here is 1 and 8, 18, 9, 0, again 2, 2 4 ja 8, here it is 1, divide होने से put 0, now it is 19, 2 9 ja 18, 1 here 2 5, again it is divided by 5, 5 8 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5 1 5, here it is 4, 5 45, 5 9. Now it is divisible by 3, 8 1 9, 8 plus 1 9 plus 9 18, 18 हो जाता है तो 3 में डिविजन हो सकता है 3, क्या 2 3 2 ja 6, here it is 2 1 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 3. Now it is 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. ये भी 3 में हो सकता है. 3, 9 ja 1. 91, take a 3 again. नहीं, 3 में डिवाइड नहीं. 17. 13 7 ja 91. Take 13, here it is 7. That means 32,760 is the product of 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, there are 2, 3, into 5, into 3, into 3, into 13, into 7. That equal to 2, 2 to 2 to the power 3, 3 also, there are 2, 3 to the power 2, into 5, into 13, into 7. Similarly, 7,429. Express it. Product of prime factors. 7,429. 7,429. It is not divisible by 2 because यूनिट रिप्लेसमेंट 9 है. 3 में भी डिवाइड नहीं हो सकेगा क्योंकि 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 7 22. तो ये होगा नहीं. तो क्या करना चाहिए, इसको यानी प्राइम नंबर में डिवाइड करना चाहिए. प्राइम नंबर आइदर 13 में वो डिवाइड हो सकती है, 17 में ट्राई करो, 19 में. पहले 19 में ट्राई करते हैं. 19 ये 74 है. 19 4 जा 76, तो ये 74 है. 19 4 नहीं आएगा. 19 3, 19 3 57. हियर इट इज 74. 57 कट गया, कितना होगा? 14 से 7 गया 7. हियर इट इज 6 minus 5 1. 17 ये 2 172. तो 19 172 कितना आएगा? 19 9 कितना होता है? ट्राई करो. 9 9 जा 81, पुट 1 के नीचे 8. 9 1 जा 9 8 70 171 आता है. तो ये 72 है. तो 19 9 आ जाएगा, उसका बाद आएगा 1. 171 आ जाएगा, तो रिमाइंडर 1, ये 990, 391। 17 में इसको डिवाइड कीजिए तो 19 में हो गया 391, और 17 में 72 जाओ 24 हो गया, सॉरी 34, ये 5 आ गया, 5 1 51, 17 3 51। So it is product of 3 prime factors, 19 into 17 into 20। तो ये एक्सरसाइज में तुम्हारा एक नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का ये क्वेश्चन नंबर है, पहला क्वेश्चन है, तो ये खत्म हो गया। अब प्रोसीड करते हैं फर्दर। तुम्हारा फंडामेंटल थ्योरम का बाद ये आता है एग्जाम्पल 1। consider the number 4 to the power n where n is natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 to the power n end with digit 0. It is example 1. Example 1 क्वेश्चन क्या है? Example 1 क्वेश्चन है, consider a number 4 to the power n. 4 to the power n. What is n? N belongs to capital N, means any natural numbers. N natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers. 4 to the power n. N belongs to capital N, means capital N is set of natural numbers. चेक करना है whether there is any value of n. That means any value of n 4 to the power n equal to 4 is 2 to the power 2 whole to the power n, that equal to 2 to the power 2n. चेक करना है for the any value of n is it end with 0. 0 रे end हम की 4 to the power n और 2 to the power 2n चेक करना है। ये 2 to the power 2n, just like your 2 to the power 2 into 1 equal to 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 into 2 equal to 2 to the power 4. Similarly, 2 to the power 2 into 3 equal to 2 to the power 6. जितना भी है 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 6, ये 0 में एंड होगा या नहीं? कभी नहीं होगा। 2 to the power 2 equal to 4, 2 to the power 4 equal to 2 equal to 16, 2 to the power 6 64, ये कभी इवन नंबर ये आएगा। और एंड विथ 0, एनी नंबर एंड विथ 0 स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10 इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, 10 is the first number, end with 0, and it is product of 2 into 5 prime factors of 10. That means the number end with 0 must be in form 2 into 5 or 2 into 5 to the power n. That is 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Any number end with 0. Any number end with 0 must be the form of 2 into 5 or 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Though 4 to the power n not in form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power n, only it is in form of 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2n or 2 to the power n remain same things, but there is nothing 5 to the power n. That means 4 to the power n never end with 0. एक क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ सकता है, जरूर आएगा। There are 3 questions for you. First question number 1. Question number 1, check or verify 2 to the power n or proof. Write down the question, proof. 2 2 to the power n never end with 0. End with 0. Similarly, another question, 3 to the power n never end with 0. Similarly, question number 3, 6 to the power n. Is 6 to the power n never end with 0? It is question, exercise question तुम्हारा. Question number 5, check 6 to the power n can end with 0 digit or any for any natural number of n. N what is n? N belongs to here capital N. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन प्रूफ नहीं आएगा, चेक हियर भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एक्सरसाइज 1.1 चेक whether 2 to the power n end with 0. लेकिन मैंने क्वेश्चन दे दिया, प्रूव इट 2 to the power n never end with 0. हाउ कैन यू प्रूव इट? देखिए क्वेश्चन 1 प्रूव करना है 2 to the power n never end with 0. 2 to the power n, what is n? N belongs to capital N, means n natural numbers. N natural numbers. 2 to the power n, n belongs to capital N. How can we prove it? It is never end with 0. Any number, we know that any number end with 0 must be in form two into 5 to the power n or 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. A number end with 0 must be in this form, but 2 to the power n is not in form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Only 2 to the power n is here. That implies, or hence, 2 to the power n never end with 0. Never end with 0. Because it is not in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Similarly, you can prove 3 to the power n and 6 to the power n. Exercise का question number 5 also खत्म. Now, LCM, SCF. It is very simple for you because from standard 6 you have idea about LCM and SCF. Only a revision chapter is your LCM, SCF. ये highest common factor, ये least common multiples. Highest common factor means just example 12 and 20. तो LCM क्या आएगा, SCF क्या आएगा? 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 12. 20 2 into 2 into 5. तो SCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कितना आता है? 2 2 4 is your SCF. And LCM 2 into 2 कॉमन हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, उसका बाद और एक तो 3 है 5 भी है, उससे 2 2 जा 4 3 12 into 5 60 is your LCM. ये फार्मूला फॉर यू चेक करना है तुमको. SCF into LCM is product of given numbers. Given numbers. SCF तुम्हारा 4 आ गया into LCM 60. 6 for the 240. Now product of these numbers 12 and 20 also 240. Product of numbers. Product of numbers is also product of numbers equal to 12 into 20 240. That means we conclude that SCF and product of SCF and LCM, SCF into LCM is product of given number. LCM SCF का प्रोडक्ट जो गिवन नंबर का प्रोडक्ट इक्वल आएगा. तो नाउ LCM इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ a given numbers divided by SCF. Similarly, SCF equal to product of numbers, product of a given numbers divided by LCM. A very important formula for you, but these are not new formula for you. From class 6 you know it very well. LCM equal to product of given numbers divided by SCF. SCF equal to product of given numbers divided by LCM. Now it is your example 2. Find example 2. Example 2. Example 2 क्या है? Find LCM SCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. 6 and 20 the LCM SCF. 6 and 20. Pretty easy for you. 6 equal to 2 into 3, 20, 2 into 2 into 5. तो SCF क्या आएगा? हाइस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ओनली 2. LCM क्या आएगा? हाइस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर को ले लीजिए, उसका बाद और एक तो 2 भी है, 3 है, 5 है. 2 2 जा 4, 3 जा 12, 5 जा 60. तो 60 आ जाएगा तुम्हारा LCM. You can check it. LCF and SCF. LCM SCF का प्रोडक्ट SCF into LCF इक्वल टू 2 into 60 120 आता है. और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 6 and 20 also 6 into 20 also 100. तो ये एक्सरसाइज. सिमिलरली एग्जाम्पल 3, फाइंड SCF of 96 and 404 by prime factors method. ये तो प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड में मैंने समझा दिया. एग्जाम्पल 2. तो एग्जाम्पल 3 4 नॉट सो मच हार्ड फॉर यू. नाउ एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. एक्सरसाइज में जितना भी क्वेश्चन है प्रेटी इजी फॉर यू. एक्सरसाइज 1.2 सॉरी 1.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 तो मैंने कर दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एग्जाम्पल में जस्ट एग्जाम्पल जैसे एग्जाम्पल 2 just like example 2, question number 2, question number 3 also pretty easy. Question number 5, sorry 4, SCF of question number 4, SCF given है SCF of 306 and 657 is 9. Find LCM. Find LCM. फॉर्मूला तो मैंने बता दिया तुमको. एलसीएम कैसे निकालना है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज नंबर्स 306 into 657 डिवाइडेड बाय एचसीएफ क्या है 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. तो ये एलसीएम बात हो जाएगा. एलसीएम इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज गिवन नंबर्स एंड बाय एचसीएफ. 9 में कट गया ये 306 9 4 सॉरी 9 3 27, here it is 3, 6, 36, 9, 34 into 657 is your LCM. Question number 5 also मैंने तुम बता चुका हूँ. Question number 6. Question number 6 क्या है? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. A composite number. Explain why this is a composite number. Here 13 is common. Take 13 common. In bracket 7 into 11 प्लस 1, 13 इंटू 7 इंटू 11, 77 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 13 इंटू 78. You know it well. 78 is a composite number. 13 is a prime number. The product of a prime and a composite is a composite number. तो ये प्रूफ हो गया. Product of any prime and a composite is a composite number. In this way you will check the another question. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Here 5 is common. 5 common लेके इसको प्रूव कर सकते हो तुम. Similarly, question number 7. It is not hard for you. Question number 7. A circular path around sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes. ताले Sonia takes 18 minutes and to dive 1 round. Similarly, Ravi takes 12 minutes. तो यहाँ पर तुमको फाइंड आउट करना है. They both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet each other? और 1 second और starting point में वो ये 18 मिनट सर्कुलर पाथ. सोनिया 18 मिनट से कवर कर सकते 1 राउंड. लेट्स इट इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. सोनिया यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया और रवि भी कहीं से स्टार्ट किया. सोनिया को 18 मिनट और रवि को 12 मिनट लगा है. तो आफ्टर तो एलसीएम निकालना है 18 का और 12 का. जैसे प्राइम फैक्टर में तुम निकाल सकते हो 18 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 2. सिमिलरली 12 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. तो 3 आ गया कॉमन. Similarly 2 another common and rest 3 2. 3 2 जा 6 6 3 जा 18 18 2 जा 36 मिनट का बाद वो फिर तो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था. आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स दे विल मीट अगेन इन द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. आफ्टर 36 मिनट they will meet in the starting point. तो ये तुम्हारा एक्सरसाइज 1.1 खत्म हो गया. लेकिन इतना भी ज़्यादा हार्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं था. तो रेफरेंस का कुछ एलसीएम एससीएफ का क्वेश्चन में ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा. उसका बाद एक्सरसाइज 1.2 भी बहुत जल्दी शेयर करूँगा. तो आज से तुमको 10th क्लास का ये मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. ये वीडियो को बहुत शेयर करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो. जो सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अब तक हमारा आदर्श कोचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो 10th क्लास के लिए मैं बना सकूँ. आज तक जितना भी वीडियो चैनल तरफ से मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है तो 10th क्लास के लिए इतना ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं था. लेकिन अब सोच रहा हूँ कि 10th क्लास तो ज़रूरी है. 10th क्लास सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, बोर्ड एग्जाम है. इसलिए तो तुम पढ़ना शुरू करो और वीडियो बनाना मेरा काम है. जय हिंद.